Good afternoon, everyone, and a very happy Teachers' Day to all of you celebrating. Namaskar, मेरा नाम अनन्या.
And hi, I am Anukriti. And today we thank you all for not just taking out time to have this conversation with us, but also for all your contributions and those countless acts of duty and benevolence and your performance for academic and social well-being.
Today, we have among us two of our very accomplished faculty members, Dr. Anukriti Bansal and Dr. Rajveer Kaur. Dr. Rajveer Kaur is an assistant professor. She is an eloquent speaker and a nurturing, creative, and a very dedicated educator.
Also, we have with us Dr. Anukriti Bansal. She is an assistant professor at LNM IIT. She is one of the most enchanting professors that I have ever come across who lights up any room that they enter. And. Also my personal favorite because we share the same name. Yeah, so in this game, we'll ask you some questions and you have to answer that from both of you who is most likely to do that.
So, our first question is, who is most likely to binge watch an entire web series on a weekend?
I can do that.
Anukriti can do that.
So I think we have a clear winner on this one now.
So
There is no dilemma.
Planning to watch Money Heist season 5 this weekend.
I am planning to, but we have classes this weekend, so I don't know.
Okay, so who's most likely to go on a solo trip?
Yeah, I can do that too.
No, I cannot. I need company.
Great. Who's most likely to run a long distance marathon?
Rajveer ma'am, because
Yes.
he is like a very health enthusiast. So, yeah, sure.
Oh,
Okay.
that's great.
And who's most likely to spend all their money on clothes?
All day.
Most of your money on the clothes.
No.
No.
Everyone is very iconic.
That's Anukriti Srivastava. Really.
Yes.
Oh yes, it is me for sure.
Who is most likely to stretch their scheduled class hours?
Both of us, I think, ma'am, we do sometimes.
I would rather not. Because it stresses the students too.
Okay, that was so thoughtful. Thank you so much. And who's most likely to scroll through Instagram as the first thing in the morning?
No. I don't think even Anukriti is.
Yeah, I don't touch my phone like.
Yeah.
That is an habit I need to inculcate in my life.
Yeah, you
I'm going to learn from you too. Okay, this is another one. Who is most likely to give best relationship advice to students?
Rajveer ma'am.
So you've been both a college student and a college professor. Which job do you like more? Anukriti ma'am, we'll begin with you.
Okay. Actually, I like both because when I was in college, I enjoyed that part, but now I'm enjoying this part too. I don't feel like a professor sometimes. I'm learning and I'm interacting with young students. So I think it's the best thing, and I enjoyed both the things.
Okay. Rajveer ma'am?
I enjoy being the college professor more. Because when I was studying in college, at that time also I was actually taking classes for my peer group, for my friends. So teaching is a passion with me, and I love interacting with, because as the years are passing by, the age gap between the students and me is widening. So I enjoy it more, and I love it. You are like my kids, and I love teaching children.
Okay, this is a special request. कोई भी आप एक कहानी सुना सकते हैं कि अपने कॉलेज लाइफ की, मतलब जो बहुत मेमोरेबल हो आपके लिए?
Anukriti, you can start.
There's so many things. Suddenly they ask no, so nothing is clicking in my mind.
Most of the time it is class picnics that we had, which is most memorable, where the entire class would go on a picnic, not nearby, but so it took 2 to 3 hours to get to that place, and the antaksharis we played during that trip, that is more memorable, because for 3 days after that we would be recalling the songs which we could have sung at that time.
Yeah,
So those trips are the most memorable ones for me.
I think
that's
for
so
me,
good.
my hostel life is most memorable one because I am from Jaipur. Till my masters I was in Jaipur. So when I went to and enjoyed and experienced hostel life, so that was very good. Initially, I missed my home, but after like 3 or 4 months, I like now I missed my college more. When I used to come home, I missed my friends more. We had like Holi and other festivals, so it was fun.
So, like, when somebody comes to college, they're like very young, they're just 18 years old. But these 4 years of college life, they completely change a person, they grow. So, like, how do you think college impacts someone? Like, what changes? Like, you've seen so many batches graduate. So, like, what change did you notice in these 4 years, and how would you describe that?
Um, I have observed some students right from the first through the final year, and as far as the personality is concerned, some of them remain the same. Okay, they still have that childlike humor around them, and ethics and honesty, but then they mature, and they, I think, are able to handle many things or multitask many things, uh, which maybe when they are at home they don't generally do that. So but then in the when they come to the college, they get that natural ability to multitask. They are attending classes, they are also participating in extracurricular activities, they are also going out there in I mean the going out with their friends, exploring the places around. And plus I have also seen that uh, if we talk of curricular activities, they become so because we are having regular presentations, we are having regular activities like these, so they become more polished and more um ready to face the world out there.
So they not just professionally, of course, they learn so many things, but at personal level also they learn so many. How to deal with people. Because when you are at home, you are like, in shadow of your parents and you're pampered. But when you come to the college, you have to manage so many things and you learn how to deal with people as well. Because we all are from different places, different cultures. There are some differences. Initially, they may need or they may face difficulty in adjusting. But at the end of this college, during these 4 years, they learn so many things.
So now we actually have another game for you. It's called Answer This as Another Person. Anukriti Srivastav here will explain you all the rules. Anukriti, please go on.
Yeah. So the name of this game is Answer This Is Another Person. Basically, you'll have to switch your personalities. This is Anukriti ma'am will answer as Rajvi ma'am, and Rajvi ma'am will answer as Anukriti ma'am.
Okay, so what profession would you have pursued had you not been a teacher?
Uh, I would be maybe some nutrition or diet expert, or in which I would get to interact with people, and also I could suggest them, advise them, like what are the health benefits and how they can like maintain good health and develop good habits.
With my face and figure and I would go for modeling as a
So I would be busy in some meeting or preparation of some meeting, uh, designing some curriculum or something like that.
and
That's great.
Anukriti would be busy maybe preparing for the next lecture.
Yeah. See, when I joined the college for the first time, when it was like, see, it's something new is challenging. So when I joined college for the first time as a teacher, so Rajbir ma'am and Preeti ma'am both, they helped me a lot. Like whenever I was not so much prepared, or maybe I was not able to deliver a good lecture, I used to share with them, and like they used to motivate me. Ma'am, I still remember you used to wish me all the best before every class.
So Pooh believes कि वो अपनी favorite है. What's your favorite quality about yourself? Anukriti ma'am will go with you first.
Okay, I am honest person. This is the quality which I like the most, and I'm honest. I'm hardworking, and I have like positive approach towards life. If something is something negative is happening to me, I'm okay with it. Everything will pass. So if it is good time, enjoy it. If it is a bad time, learn from it. That's all.
That's such a beautiful life lesson. Rajveer ma'am?
I think the best quality in me is that when I'm stressed, I laugh a lot. Yeah, and that kind of though that eases out the stress a little bit, I have to put in hard work for which I'm stressed about, for whatever I'm stressed about. But then laughing with others at that stage kind of pulls me out. As a young girl, I was like the second profession would have been dancing if I had not been in education. So yes, the crush was also on Bharatnatyam dancer Sonal Mansingh. I loved her. And then there was one dancer by the name Swapan Sundari. She was also a Bharatnatyam dancer. Yeah, I like them.
Actually, I had a crush. Means it could seem like very old one, but yeah, I had a crush on Amitabh Bachchan. One thing, because we have same initials, AB. So I used to we have same initials.
Beyond the classroom, what are the other recreational activities you both indulge in?
During lockdown, I found a passion for cooking. Otherwise, I'm into reading. And if I don't have a good book with me, I will read the newspaper thoroughly. And of course, watch TV too.
Many bird photography, because people were not there on the roads. Birds were only there. So I got a good chance. I have some interest in painting, sketching, and other things. And I love reading too.
Yeah, I can Priti's photographs. They were really beautiful. Some of them she shared with us. Very nice.
As a generation, like our generation, we're sort of obsessed with Netflix and Miley Cyrus and Game of Thrones. So, like, what were your biggest influences growing up?
Okay, I don't know, but maybe at our time we were not so much indulged in the social media. I remember that I started Facebook in the 3rd or 4th year of my college just to play that Farmville. So otherwise, the influence we had is more of people, like what friends we have in college, or whom we like interact with. So I think I had more influence of these people. I had influence of my teachers a lot. They have really helped me in shaping my career and choosing my career too.
And Anukriti?
Yeah, I have like the same thing. I want to say that the things which I have learned is like be in the moment. Whatever is there now, just enjoy it. Don't just overthink about what could have happened in the past, because it has passed, right? It is your teacher, so it has given what it could have given to you. Now be in the moment, enjoy the present, and don't worry about the future too much.
Yeah.
But
No
plan
time
for
right.
No, because if you will live your present like
Yes.
very well, then your future will automatically be very good.
That's correct. Yeah. Okay. Be diligent towards your duty and like don't worry. Like I'm gonna do that in my life. Yeah. Okay. So yeah. Okay. So we know now ki by popular consensus ki Rajveer ma'am gives out the best, and she's already said that her best relationship advice would be to stay and like wait for it to come out. So Anukriti ma'am, what relationship advice do you have for our peers and our
Generation.
students and for me and Anukriti even?
Yeah. I would love to take that.
So, relationship advice which I could give is like something, just go with the flow. Because the person who belongs to you will stay with you, and the person who is not supposed to stay with you, just leave him and let him go or let her go gracefully. That's all I can say.
So now we have another game in store for you. It's called This and That. It's difficult, I'll say, because you'll be given two very lucrative options and you'll have to choose one out of them.
तो क्योंकि सास भी कभी बहू थी या फिर गेम्स ऑफ थ्रोन.
I have not seen both, but I would prefer Games of Thrones because I have so many things about it.
Okay.
Same here. Yeah, even I haven't watched Stars Bhi Kabhi Bahu Thi.
गाजर का हलवा और मोतीचूर का लड्डू.
Gajar ka halwa.
Same here. Cooked at home. Home cooked.
Okay, books or movies?
Books.
That is tough. Movies or books? Yeah, book. Yeah, it was really difficult. This one was difficult.
कॉलेज की दिवाली या कॉलेज की होली?
College ki holi.
This can
As you
only
know.
be experienced if you are into hostel life. I haven't experienced that. But if Anukriti is saying Holi, so I think Holi must be interesting one.
During Diwali, no, we come to home for at least 1 or 2 days. But
Okay.
I've enjoyed.
Okay, so Akkad Bakkad or Bazinga?
I think Bazinga.
Okay.
I've never been to Akkad Bakkad. But yeah, I've tried Bazinga.
Never tried any of them.
लग जा गले या गुलाबी आंखें?
Gulabi aankhein.
Gulabi aankhein.
Okay, Rishi Kapoor or Ranbir Kapoor?
Ranbir Kapoor.
Yeah. Ranbir Kapoor.
शाहरुख खान इन मोहब्बतें और आमिर खान इन तारे ज़मीं पर?
Amir Khan.
Amir Khan.
Okay. We have just one last question for you. कोई भी आपकी ऐसी memorable, enriching teaching experience जो मतलब आप हमारे साथ share करना चाहते हो?
So I gave a question. The students were solving it, and I was moving around the class to see how they are solving it, whether their approach is right or not. And as I go to the back of the class, last bench, I saw one student sleeping. He was lying down on the bench. They had benches. They didn't have chairs like we have in the classroom. So he was sleeping. So I asked student, he was supposed to be present in that class mentally, not only physically. He was physically there, mentally not. So the students, when they also came to know, they said, "Ma'am, please wake him up." I said, "No, let him sleep." That he came to me after the class, but I mean that was a very, I wouldn't say a good experience, but yeah, that was a funny experience.
Have any particular incident regarding teaching? But yeah, my first day was like a memorable one for me. Like when I taught, I was really nervous, and when I like did it, so I was happy about it. That's the only thing which is coming in my mind right now.
We have arrived at the end of this podcast. Thank you so much for not just doing this podcast, but for being there for us like 24/7, for putting up graciously with our students, and for actually illuminating our life with your Midas touch. So I'm beyond words grateful to have met you all and to have lived and learned under your umbrella. So thank you so much for doing this for us. Thank you.
Thank you,